HP 15s FQ2890tu. HP 15s FQ2890tu is a 15-inch affordable work and study notebook that is ready to power through your daily tasks at a terrific speed. The 11th Gen Intel Core i7 processor that is ready to take up the most challenging tasks. Sporting an 11th Gen Intel Core i7-1165G7 quad-core processor, it runs all your professional tasks at an impressive speed. It has a consistent speed of 2.8 GHz, and with Intel Turbo Boost technology, you can get a speed of about 4.7 GHz. The higher speed settings come into play when running demanding tasks and heavy apps. Looks every bit classy and elegant in its silver color and lightweight chassis. Weighing only 3.74 pounds, it is portable and easy to carry around. It has a full-size keyboard with a separate numeric keypad. All of this, at a very affordable price tag, makes it an impressive choice for professionals and students. Storage and RAM store a data of about 512 GB in PCIe NVMe M2 solid-state drive. Talking about SSDs, they are faster storage options. In terms of memory, it has two 4GB DDR4-2666 MHz RAMs, which makes a total of 8GB RAM. Graphics and display for professional and study laptops like this one, integrated or shared graphics usually get the job done. They run yours tasks fluidly and are easy on the battery life and processor. This one has Intel Iris X shared graphics with the latest updates. These graphics are coupled with a 15.6 inches diagonal, high-definition display. The screen resolution is approximately 1366x768p, and it is fit into a micro-edge display panel. Furthermore, the BrightView screen meets out a brightness of about 250 nits and a color gamut of up to 45%. HP True Vision 720p HD camera with integrated dual-array digital microphones. Dual speakers. Battery life mixed usage up to 8 hours and 30 minutes. Video playback battery life up to 11 hours. Wireless connectivity MediaTek Wi-Fi 6 MT7921, 2x2, and Bluetooth 5.2 combo, supporting gigabit data rate. Genuine Windows 11 Home.